When you look into the future of your company, you see more productivity, more safety. You see sales booming and profit margins increasing. You know that on American soil, economic energy, growth, and enthusiasm are right around the corner. And at HE&M, we couldn't agree with you more.
My name is Gerald Harris. I founded HE&M about 50 years ago. We started in my garage. I looked at some property here in Oklahoma, the industrial park, and we moved out here. It's the best move we ever made. Personally, we had a philosophy, I did and my son has carried it on, of building a quality product, building it right, and building one that stays together.
The other thing that was really important for us is made in America. When it was very popular for people to take their products overseas, we didn't feel that way at all.
We are one of the few companies that are Buy American, Made America. And that really allows us to stand behind our product, knowing that we have some of the best quality equipment out there.
You'll see that if it's made in USA, then you know it's a quality product. If you buy a HE&M saw, guaranteed you can run it for 15 years and you get all the service you want.
It's just really cool to be able to have a chance to build a product that came from right here, like in your hometown.
Made in America matters because we're not just building bandsaws, we're literally building communities. It's not just about making money, it's about affecting our customers' livelihoods as well.
For over 50 years, HE&M has been the leader in new bandsaw technology. We set the standard with more patented innovation than any other bandsaw manufacturer in the world.
We're a very vertically integrated company, and what that means is we start with raw materials and we actually process it all. It gives us much better control over the quality of the product. We've really evolved into a saw company that does a tremendous amount of specialty engineering, from material handling to solving solutions.
The customer is number one. You have to do whatever it is to make that customer happy. And we go outside the box to do that.
We start out by speaking to a customer at our sales location. That information is transmitted to our engineers who will design it, and they will draft it, sending it to our manufacturing location. The majority of everything that goes on a HE&M saw is designed and manufactured right here in Pryor.
We come in from the start to the finish, and we'll maintain the product. Just because our saw goes into the field doesn't mean that's where we stop. We've got service, we've got parts. We try to get a turnaround ratio of about 90% within the first day from the time it's ordered to the time it's shipped.
At HE&M, we manufacture more than 70 different models of production bandsaws for the metalworking industry. In addition, we also specialize in material handling and eliminator metalworking fluids. HE&M is proud to have sold thousands of bandsaws across America and across the globe.
So there's a lot of things that you get when you get a HE&M saw. What we try to do is give you the best product that we can. We try to give you a piece of equipment that'll last a long time. Plus we have an extensive service network so we can respond to the customer's needs much faster.
One thing that you find out is that if you don't innovate, you don't succeed. Now the latest technology, we use touchscreens, we use PLCs, we use server controls and drives. We are trying to be ahead of the pack.
What you make and what you do is an art form. What I make, I put everything into it.
Basically, you ask for it, we'll figure out a way to do it.
You know, you may find a saw out there that's less money, but I don't think you'll find one that you'll have the backing behind. We install them, we take care of them. We're here 10 years down the road when you need us.
When you take pride in the company you work for, you take pride in the product you build. I would have never believed 50 years ago I'd be sitting in a chair talking about my company and how it's grown and what it's done. Quite a feeling.